Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix WhatsApp status sound not playing on your iPhone when status plays silently or sound does not come through. Let's get started. So, you have to go ahead and simply turn off the silent mode. If your iPhone is on silent mode, WhatsApp status sound will not play. So, check the switch on the left hand side of your iPhone, and if you see orange, silent mode is on. Flip the switch to turn off the silent mode. And after that, test the status again. Next, increase the volume while status is playing. You must adjust volume during playback. Open up your WhatsApp, then open a WhatsApp status. Just like that, while the video is playing, press the volume up button, and if you increase the volume on the home screen, it won't affect media volume. Now, head back to your home screen, open up settings, and then scroll below, tap on apps. Inside apps, search for WhatsApp and then tap onto it. Now inside here, make sure microphone, notification and cellular data are turned on. If it's turned off, turn them on. Inside settings, simply tap on sounds and haptic and then increase the ringer and alerts volume. This can affect playback sound as well. And after you do that, head back to your home screen, open up the App Store. In the search bar, search for WhatsApp and just like that, tap onto it. If it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. And that's it. Your WhatsApp status sound should now be working on your iPhone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.